Addiction recovery is a challenging but rewarding journey that involves overcoming substance or behavioral dependencies. The first step in addiction recovery is recognizing and accepting that you have a problem. If the addiction involves substances like drugs or alcohol, a medically supervised detox may be necessary. There are various treatment options, including inpatient and outpatient programs, therapy, counseling, and support groups. Therapy helps individuals understand the root causes of their addiction, develop coping skills, and address underlying emotional issues. Joining support groups can provide a sense of community and accountability. Embracing a healthier lifestyle is crucial, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Identifying and avoiding triggers that may lead to relapse is essential. Relapse is a common part of the recovery process for many people. Addiction recovery is an ongoing process that requires ongoing commitment, continued therapy, and a strong support system. Part of the recovery process involves repairing damaged relationships and rebuilding trust. Recovery offers an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Recognize and celebrate milestones in your recovery journey, no matter how small. With determination, support, and the right resources, it is possible to achieve lasting sobriety and a healthier, more fulfilling life.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.